Driving down a country road, windows roll down, radio playing, winding past the open fields, the fresh air is so invigorating. Going wherever it may lead, no rush, no plan, enjoy the ride. Just me and the countryside. On this country road, my spirit feels so alive.
Passing by a weathered barn, horses grazing near a farmhouse, rows of corn and wheat sway in the breeze. The farmer's tractor works the farmland, going wherever it may lead. No rush, no plan, enjoy the ride. Just me and the countryside. This country road, spirit feels so alive.
Leave the city way behind. No more hurrying, no more grind. Out here I can breathe, I can think. The peace and beauty, they're just what I need. Going wherever it may lead.